And me.
This is Lily, my daughter, in case you're new. I got a package in the mail today, and it was actually so surprising and so exciting because this is my second package I've ever received in my entire life on YouTube. I started in 2009, it's 2023. The only package I've ever received from YouTube was my 100,000 subscriber plaque, and that's been it. So when I got this package, I was so excited because I was like, they love me. They really love me. Recently, YouTube launched their, basically like their shopping affiliate program. And it's for content creators who make videos on YouTube. They have like this little tab where you can go and put in your products that you're showing in the video. And it kind of pops up like a little button that says browse products. On the side of the video, I think it's on this side of the video, all of your products will pop up. And then you are able to earn an affiliate commission on whatever people decide to shop. So it's really nice because links take a lot of time, and this does take a little bit of time as well, but it's actually a little bit quicker than doing all of your links. The commission that they offer through YouTube shopping affiliate program can sometimes be quite a bit more than like other affiliate programs that I use. I got a package from them and it says, can you guys see? Can you guys see this?
If not, I can read it.
It says, congrats.
You're one of the first creators to join the YouTube shopping affiliate program.
Woo woo! I was like seriously so excited. So you don't get packages from YouTube.
You don't get.
So inside of it is this massive box, and it has my name. It says YouTube shopping, and look, it has my channel name.
Schuerman.
I'm like, actually, I don't know why I got so excited about this, because like obviously I get PR packages all the time, but I just found, because it was from YouTube, I felt quite posh.
Yeah.
So what does that say?
It's just,
You're gonna open it for me?
I got a nice letter.
Okay.
And then one of my most favorite things.
$1 million.
Well, that's another.
Oh, some stickers? Love
Stickers.
this, but it says love this.
Yes. And then we got another little sticker. It says
Shop with YouTube. There we go.
Yay.
So they actually pulled out this program, or rolled out this program a little while ago, but they were not offering any incentive for creators to use it because you weren't able to monetize. And they had actually done a survey, and I had like said, I'm not going to use something that's going to take me, you know, added time if I can't benefit from it. So I'll just continue using my other affiliate programs. And then when they said, do you want to monetize and sign up for the monetization program for their affiliate, I was like, yes. For beauty and fashion content creators, that's how we make a portion of our income, is through affiliate sales. And it does take a lot of time adding all of the products that you're talking about in your videos, especially for my videos. I share a lot of stuff. So when you're taking that time to find the products, add the links, it's a lot of work. You know, you type it all out, you put it all in the information box, because it is helpful to people when they're shopping, but it also takes a lot of time. So when you are able to monetize, you know, even if it's just a small commission, it does help, and it does add up over time. So we got this little thing. It says, thank you for coming along the YouTube shopping affiliate journey with us from day one. Your feedback and participation is directly helping to shape the future of the program. To celebrate you, we've enclosed a customized sign that will light up wherever you choose to create.
Yes.
You can place it in frame in your next video or short to remind viewers they can now shop with YouTube.
And then this is the instructions. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
It says open 24/7.
So, locate your
Get
cord.
started. Locate your cord, marker, and cleaning cloth in the clear baggie. Thread the cord through the hole in the display base and plug it in. Flip the switch to light up your sign. Press the switch to cycle through various lighting options. Get creative and use the marker included in the base to write or draw on your sign and make it your own. Place your light up sign in frame during the next video or short as a reminder that your viewers can now shop directly from your content. OMG!
Okay, we gotta open it.
Okay, so I'm assuming it's a light up sign.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
I'm guessing. Spicy.
It says shop. Oh, I just whacked myself in the. Can you guys see this? It's really hard to tell because it's see-through. But it says shop with YouTube. And then,
Look at that.
oh, I just put a fingerprint on it. What a dink. This is kind of hard to get out when you have nails.
I did it.
Wait, but where's the cord? Oh, okay, we need to find the
I'm
cord.
guessing it's in the...
Oh, I don't have anything to put this behind though. I thought maybe I could hang it on the wall.
But
Is there a cord in here?
I don't... Oh, no.
Shop with YouTube. My handle, Samantha Schuerman. But it makes me feel like they know who I am and they've acknowledged that I have been busting my booty for the past however many years I've been on. What's 2009? How many years? 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 14 years.
Dang.
I've been on here for 14 years this November. My second package from YouTube.
Second.
Amazing. Okay guys, so I've tried to put it in a place that's like you can actually see what the sign says behind it, you know, so that it's not just on a white wall. So this is the sign. What I think is cool is that you can actually plug in right here. You can plug the cord in so that you can keep it in this little stand, because if this is like on a stand or a shelf or something behind you, it's kind of cool having the little stand because it actually has your YouTube handle, which is pretty snazzy. So I think it's really cool to just keep in the actual stand. And then as you can see, this actually changes. So you can do it numerous different ways. Also, it's glass, so I've already got fingerprints on it. I need to clean that up. So basically right here on the side, if I very gently poke my finger in here, there's a little button. So you can change it to be all sorts of different ones. So if you just want to have it like where it's just green or it's just red. So there's a lot of different, I'm just going to run through all of them so that you guys can see. So see, that one kind of goes from like, it kind of just goes back and forth between the three. That one's super cute. It goes from pink to purple. I think that one's probably my favorite. You've got this one. I think it goes through all the colors. Whoa, it's wild. It's going crazy. So that one's kind of like more like you're in a club. Whoa, we're really raving now. Is that what it's called? Ravers? Oh, yeah, I think so. God, I feel old. So as you can see, like there's a ton of different settings. Some of them are a little bit distracting. So I think it's better to have one that's a little bit more calm if it is going to be in the background of your video. I'm trying to find my favorite one. This is my favorite one because it goes from pink to purple. So I'm going to leave it at that, and then it just sticks back in there. And then you can just have that on a little shelf behind you or on a dresser or whatever, somewhere in the area that shows that people can actually shop my videos. Just the fact that YouTube sent me a package, I was so excited. Like, you hardly ever get a package from YouTube. So when you do, you kind of just feel a little bit special, and it makes you just feel like, you know, I've been on here for a long time and I've been working my butt off for a long time. So to be recognized by YouTube and to like have them send me something with my actual YouTube handle, it just feels kind of snazzy. So that is what they sent me. I think it's really cool. I'm so appreciative. I'm so excited. I'm glad I signed up. I'm glad I took a chance and gave it a go, because now I got this cute little sign from YouTube and I think it's pretty darn cool. I do need to clean it though, because it's already full of my fingerprints. If you guys are content creators, if you have your own YouTube channel, mine just popped up like on my dashboard. I just like had a little thing that said, you know, monetization available or affiliate program available or something like that. And it said, do you want to sign up? And so I was like, well, whatever, I'll give it a go. And basically it's really easy to add like the products in, because you just go in, it's when you're uploading, you go to YouTube Studio and then you click through all the, you know, the different sections of when you're uploading, and then where you would normally like go to put cards in or your end screen, it also says tag products. You click on tag products and then you can search in their search bar. And so far, like Bloomingdale's, I think Macy's, Sephora, Ulta, not every single store is a part of it yet. I mean, I think they're fairly new, so they're probably like, you know, it's gonna take a minute for like, I mean, I don't think any affiliate program offers every single store, but they are offering it for, you know, the big ones, at least for my kind of channel where it's like, mainly I've noticed it's beauty stuff. What I've noticed is that it is offering a higher commission than the other affiliate programs that I use. It's less time consuming, and it kind of makes it really easy for you guys, because while you're watching, and this is why I initially was really excited that I was offered to be in the program, was because while you're watching your YouTube video, so like while you're watching me right now, and let's just say I'm holding up a lipstick and I'm holding up a perfume and I'm holding up whatever, instead of having to scroll down and look in my description box or in my comment section where you can no longer see my screen, like you can't watch me anymore because you've had to scroll down to look at the products. With the YouTube shopping program, there's a little button, and I think it's like here somewhere on the screen, or it might be just under the video, but I'm pretty sure it's either on the screen or it's just under, and it'll say browse products, and it will pull up all the products, so you can still see me, you can still see me talking, you can still see me showing the products, you can see my video the entire time while you're looking at every single product that I'm using as well. Whereas normally you would not be able to see the screen, and you'd have to go into the comment section or go into the description box and scroll down to see all the products, and you can still hear me, but you can't see what I'm holding up anymore or what I'm doing. And so that's why I really thought that it was cool, was that sometimes, and this happens to me when I watch videos, I don't know if it ever happens to you. Do you ever look at people's links?
I never know how.
Oh, you don't know how? Interesting. So see, this is actually a really good point that Lily's made, is that she doesn't know how to look at people's links. Whereas if there was a little button here that says browse products, would you see that?
Yeah.
And then you'd click on
I did
it.
some videos with like really cute stuff, and I want to like look at it.
Yeah.
Because they would say look in the description, but I don't know how to like.
Oh, she doesn't know how to do it. So
Yeah.
with YouTube shopping, it just is a little button that says browse products. It pulls up on the screen to the next, you know, to the left-hand side of me. And then you can see and you can scroll through all the products I'm talking about as you're watching my face. And I feel like it just kind of makes it really nice, because as I'm showing you this lipstick, you can also see it right here on the screen. And then you are able to look at all the other products that I'm talking about while I'm actually, you know, showing them, swatching them, doing whatever it is that I'm doing with them. So it just kind of makes it convenient for me because it's easier to link. It's convenient for you guys because you guys can still see my face as you're seeing the products. And if you're a content creator, it also gives you a higher commission than what you would normally be getting with other affiliate programs. And obviously, if you aren't a content creator, but you just like my videos and you want to support me, it really does help. It's an awesome way for you guys, if you are planning on buying the products anyway, if you click on, you know, if you click on the product and you purchase it through my little YouTube shopping affiliate thingy-mabobber, it does help me, because, you know, it is expensive to create content when you're constantly hauling products and buying new products to do get ready with me's and fashion hauls and all that. It does add up, and so those little bits here and there, they do add up and they do help. They are, you know, they're a good portion of my income, so it is helpful. So if you are watching other people, you know, obviously not just me, if you're gonna plan on buying the stuff and you're watching my video and you saw it on my channel, if you could click it, that would be amazing. But if it goes for other people that you're watching, if you have noticed that they have it too, where it has a little button that says browse products and then you can see it up all here, if you decide that you wanna, if you've seen it on there, you know, if you see something and you wouldn't have purchased it without that person showing you, if you use their links, it does help them, and it's always nice. I always make sure that if I see someone talking about something and they don't even have an affiliate link, and I know they're an influencer, I will actually DM them and be like, hey, do you have an influence or do you have an affiliate link that I can use so that you get credit? Because the thing is, if I'm not even knowing about a product until I see it on someone's channel and then I buy it because of them, that was because of them, you know what I mean? And they should get the credit for it. That's basically kind of like the rundown of the YouTube shopping affiliate program. Like I said, if you're a content creator and you have the option to sign up for it, I don't know how you have to qualify. I don't know if you have to have a certain amount of subscribers. Have you seen it on anyone's channel that you watch?
I don't think so.
You haven't?
No.
It's really new, and I was like, I only got it offered to me like not very long ago, maybe a month or so ago. So I haven't seen it on a whole lot of people's channels.
Yeah, I mean, I don't watch like whole videos that much.
Oh, oh, that's right. She's more of a shorts kind of girl.
Yeah, but except when I like when I can't find like a specific short or something, I just like type in their like.
Their main channel.
Or like I type in like little cute things that you can.
Lily likes to watch like people organizing their bedrooms.
Yeah.
She
Or,
loves
like,
getting decor ideas.
Yes.
Yeah, what else do you like?
I mean, I like looking at like little, like not prize bags, but like blind bags with little,
I
little
see.
characters that
Yeah,
I
I gotcha. From what I have experienced when, you know, trying to link products on there, I've noticed it's mainly beauty stuff at the moment, but I think because it's fairly new, they're probably still, you know, they're still rolling it out, and eventually you'll probably be able to link even more. And it's not always every single product, you know, sometimes I do have to use other affiliate links in the description box alongside the ones that are showing up here on the left hand side. If you are a content creator and you are looking for a way to monetize and you have the option, definitely give it a go, because I was checking out how much I've earned since I started, and it was a pretty decent amount for like just such a new program. The commissions are like, most of the time it's like at a 10%. I think it's like 10.5%, or sometimes like I've seen 11. So it's a pretty decent amount on the products that you're, you know, that you're linking. So definitely sign up if you have it, if you have the option on your dashboard. Like I said, I don't know how I think I just got a little notice that offered me to apply, and I did. So I'm not sure of the qualifications. I literally know nothing about it. This is not sponsored by YouTube. I got a package in the mail and I was just like, cool, I'm excited. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So a huge thank you to YouTube for sending out this package. Like I said, I don't really know a whole lot about it. All I know is what I've experienced is that the commissions are pretty high. They're higher than a lot of other ones I use. It's a really easy program to use, like to get the links and everything. It's just easy. It's convenient. And I feel like it's really nice that you can still see my face while you're shopping the content. So those would be the benefits. As far as the cons go, you can't get every single link. You know what I mean? You can't get every single like website or brand, because they're not all signed up on there. You can only do 30 products at a time, and sometimes I show more than 30 products. So I feel like 50 would be that sweet spot, because normally I don't show anything higher than 50 products. But sometimes, like when I do a get ready with me, I'm using more than 30 products, and so then I have to put the rest of the products in the description box. So I feel like if you could do a little bit more, if you could link more products, that would be awesome. But I think at the moment the limit is 30. So those would be the cons. In case you haven't tried it out, or you haven't heard of it, or you're like, what is this little browse products button? Maybe you have watched people's videos and you have seen that little thing, but you don't know what it is. That's what it is. It's a way for you guys to shop the content, for you guys to see what you're looking at on the side here while someone's showing it on the screen, and a great way for you to easily shop something as well as help out the content creator that you're watching and that you love. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys did, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. Subscribe for cute poodles.
Yeah, because Poodle is sleeping.
Look, oh my god, look, she's so peaceful.
She loves me.
That's Lily's dog.
Yeah.
I got her for me and Lily stole her. Like, she sleeps with her every single night. She's obsessed with Lily, so. Clearly. Anyway, thank you guys, and there's Fiona. She's mine. She sleeps with me every night. I hope you guys all have a fab day, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Goodbye.
Bye.